So welcome to the final lecture in this section. At least it was really a fun section. I don't know about you, but for me it was really fun. Okay, so in the next section we're gonna start working on the news. I know you guys are really excited. It's been a long run. You want to just dive into it, but it's just step by step. Okay, so what we're gonna do in this lecture is to add the links for us. If we want to go to a particular, we need to type it on the URL, but we don't need to do that. We just need to add the links. Okay, so back to my code editor. I'm gonna head over to the nav under the pages sidebar.php, and where we have this, I'm gonna copy and paste it twice, but the other one is gonna be, we're gonna display it based on a condition. Okay, so the first one is gonna be category, so everyone will be able to see this, but the other one, not everyone will be able to see that. Okay, so only the administrator will be able to see that. So in the link, that's the href, we're going to add category.php. okay, so this one is going to be add category, or we're going to only display this if the person that's logged in is an admin. So I'm going to change all these double quotes to single quotes. Okay, so for it not to conflict with the outer quotes that we have in the PHP, that's the echo, other stuff. Okay, all right, I think that's all. So the link is gonna be add underscore category.php. So let's write and this is gonna be fafa folder. This is gonna be fafa suitcase. Okay, so let me open my PHP tags and get the role of the user. So role is going to be equal to then the user object, and we're going to get role. Okay, all right, so if role is equal to admin. Okay, so this is what we're going to show, and after this link we're going to open our PHP tags again, PHP, close it, and write the end if. Okay, so that's going to end the if statement. All right, so let's try that out and see if we get anything. So I'm going to refresh, and we should get everything. Okay, because I'm logged in and I'm the administrator. So let's change it again and see if we're going to get anything. Okay, so change the role to an editor. Okay, and that should save right there. Okay, there is one role affected and it has been affected. Okay, so let's refresh and see what happens, and you can see we're not getting it. Okay, so if we click on category.php, we should get all the categories, but we're not going to get the add categories because we are not administrators. Okay, so this is really great. I mean, this is a great functionality. I don't know what you think about it, so let me know what you think about it. Make sure you leave a 5-star review for this course. It's gonna be getting better and better, so if you haven't left a 5-star review, you should do that right now. Okay, and I also want to say something before I end this section. If you feel that I'm not giving you what you desire, just message me, or you just leave it in the discussion, and I'll make sure I try to fix what I'm lacking. So if I'm not able to fix it within a certain period of time, probably a week, then you can go along and give it a 1-star or a 2-star. But please, before you do that, make sure you contact me first, and if I'm able to fix the bug that you're having, then I see no reason why you should give it a 2-star or a 1-star. So please, I'm expecting a 5-star from you. All right, then I'll see you in the next section. Bye.